Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
What's my name? Oh, nah, nah. What's my name? What's my name? What's my name? Oh, nah, nah. What's my name? Oh, nah, nah. What's my name? Oh, nah, nah. What's my name? What's my name? What's my name?
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel if you are returning. But if you are not, welcome. This is Na's World, and right now I am redoing the room. So I'm gonna show you all the before. So this room will be completely transformed. This wall will be an accent wall, and if you keep on watching, I can show y'all how I do it. So guys, I have completed the painting process. I have to go over the red one more time, but while that dries completely for it to get ready for the second coat, I am starting to build the twin size bed frame to put it over here in the corner. So yeah, y'all can keep watching while I do that. This is the locker I just built. So now that majority of the room is complete, my client is actually ordering a few more things, like a table for this Beyblade station I'm going to create for him. And his name is Avery, so she got these letters for me. They were wooden letters at first, but as you can tell, well, you can't really see anything right now, but I put some Beyblades on them. I designed each one with a different theme, Beyblade. Some of them are still drying. This is the E. This is the Y. I'm working on the A, and the R is still drying. So yes, I'm about to insert right here a small little clip of what the letters look like prior to me starting them. And yeah, that's it. Finish up the trim on, well, of course the trim, because as you can see, we have some red spots, some gray spots, you know, some little, you know, I don't use tape, so you might have a little drips and drabs and, you know, little dips and dabs here and there. So yeah, we're about to fix that. We about to make this look like this. And of course, I know y'all want to see me paint some trim white, but for those who do, keep watching. Don't ask me why I didn't do the trim before I put the bed and the stuff together, but rock with me, y'all, rock with me. Just want to show you guys a quick little update on the room before you guys see his reaction. But this is his Beyblade section. He got a nice little chair, a newly built desk that I put together. I'm gonna put the basketball court up. Name in a locker, have a little jersey, we just about to record Avery's reaction to the room.
Okay.
Wait.
Close your eyes.
I got mine.
Mine. All right, you ready now, Sharon?
I'm ready.
All right, open those eyes.
See?
This is so cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow.
I got a few surprises for you though. You wanna open up the drawer?
That's cool.
You can slide the drawer out on top.
You see the drawers on top? Slide them
Pull
out.
up.
This? Yeah. Push your blades in there. Slide the other one out next to it.
That's so cool.
I love it. And a new red chair. I like how the Beyblades are like in no order.
You see your name?
Look.
Oh, baby.
Yeah. I did some research for you, boy. Brother Sweat.
That's cool.
Look.
You keep your little stash in there too, and keep the key with you.
What's this for? That's a milk.
Gosh. Change colors. Like a nightlight, basically.
You got that LED strip on the side of the bed. You know, never be
Right.
scared of the dark. Where? LED strip on behind the door.
You strip on the bed too? On the side of the
Okay, yeah. Do it for the camera. He gonna do
That
it.
counts the one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, taking up, man. Taking up.
This is lit.
Hey.
Oh, and then